Hello, so today we'll be having our very first SketchUp tutorial. What we are going to do today is import an AutoCAD plan of the apartment we'll be designing today. We'll be making a 3D model of Joey and Chandler's apartment from Friends. We'll be initially importing 2D AutoCAD plan, followed by some tweaks, finally extruding the walls of the apartment, followed by making walls and door openings. So what we need to do is, we need to click the file, import, and import the plan, and to get rid of him. So as you can see, it's a group, so we need to explode it. So these are just lines, so we need to make faces so we can extrude them. So we'll be drawing a line over the line so that it becomes a face. So very easy and very simple. Oops. Sorry. Okay. So now we have all the faces of all the walls that we would be extruding. So it's gray. We need to reverse it. So we need to make it white so we don't have any problem when we are rendering it. So now what we're going to do is we need to extrude them. So we need to get the push and pull command, and we need to extrude it for 11 feet. Okay, once we have used this tool once, we can just double click all the faces that we want to extrude and make walls of. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Now we need to clean this model. So we'll be getting rid of all the useless lines that we won't be needing in. Okay, now since we have a very clean model, we have all the walls. This is Joey's room, this is Chandler's room, this is their washroom, this is their living area or lounge, this is their kitchen, and this is where the foosball table stays. So now we need to make lentils for walls and windows. We're gonna hit shift key and select this line, this line, this line, basically lines of all the openings that needs lentils. Oops. In this drawer. So now we need to click move command, press Ctrl once and move it above our 8 feet. So we have it over here. All we need to do is pull this, this. Now we need to make sills for our windows. We'll be doing that at 3 feet. Now we need to clean the model. Okay, so here we go. So we have all the walls with windows openings and door openings. We need to clean this one as well. Now we're gonna make it into a group. Now we need a floor for it. Again, just make a rectangle, then make it into a group. Give it a 1 feet depth and we're gonna draw along the outskirts of this wall. Basically, this is the easiest way of making a floor. So here we go. And we're gonna just push this to get rid of it. Just double click it, double click it. Then we're gonna use this slab as a roof as well. So we have the apartment ready, basically the basic apartment ready. This is it. So hope you guys like it. If you have any question, you can ask in comments.